नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in general knowledge today we will discuss the topic mentioned at page number 18 of your GK book Kidways. Heading of the page is Steps to Fame. Students, in it we are given brief description about great works of some world famous scientists. We have to write the name of the scientist against the information provided. The first letter of the name of the scientist is also given as a clue. There is a help box also at the bottom of the page, out of which we can choose the correct answer. First, he was the first to produce electricity by hanging a dead frog on the iron railings with copper hooks. Name of that scientist is Galvani. Galvani. Second, he was inspired by a swinging church lamp which led to the invention of pendulum clock. Name of the scientist is Galileo. Galileo. Third one, he accidentally spilled some rubber, sulfur and lead onto a stove, resulting in rubber resistant to heat and cold. उसने गलती से रबर, सल्फर और लेड को एक स्टोव के ऊपर गिर दिया और बाय चांस जो रबर बनी वो हीट और कोल्ड की रेजिस्टेंट थी. Name of that scientist is Charles Goodyear. Charles Goodyear. Fourth one, he made the great discovery by growing peas and formulated the laws of hereditary that is passing on of characters from one generation to another. Name of the scientist is Mendel. Who formulated Mendel's law? Next, fifth one, he made a famous discovery while being in his bathtub and gave the famous principle. तो ये साइंटिस्ट बेटा जब बाथ टब में नहा रहा था तो एकदम से उसके मन में आइडिया आया जिस पर वो काफ़ी देर से रिसर्च कर रहा था लैब में, और वो बाथ टब में से जंप करके उठा एकदम से, यूरेका यूरेका बोलते हुए, मीन्स आई हैव फाउंड, आई हैव फाउंड. A name of that scientist is Archimedes. Sixth one, he, while trying to make a better refrigerator, accidentally invented Teflon, that is used in non-stick utensils. तो प्यारे बच्चों, वो साइंटिस्ट रेफ्रिजरेटर में इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की सोच रहा था, लेकिन बाय चांस इन्वेंशन कर दी उसने टेफ्लॉन की, जिसको नॉन स्टिक यूटेंसिल्स के ऊपर यूज़ करते हैं ताकि जो भी पकाया जाए उन यूटेंसिल्स में वो प्रॉपरली पक जाए. नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट इज रॉय प्लंकेट. Next, seventh one, he made the discovery after learning about night writing, which proved a boon to the blind. The name of the scientist is Louis Braille. Braille is the language used by the persons who cannot see. They just understand it through touching by the fingers. Eighth one, he accidentally discovered sweetener when he forgot to wash hands before lunch after working in Johns Hopkins lab. तो बेटा उसने स्वीटनर को डिस्कवर किया बाय चांस, क्योंकि लैब में काम करते करते वो एकदम से खाना खाने बैठ गए। The name of the scientist is Konstantin Fellberg. Ninth one, he observed the blacksmith at work and came out with a musical scale using different sized hammers. Name of that scientist is Pythagoras. Last one, he was a Navy radar specialist who felt that the chocolate bar in his pocket started melting in front of microwave emitters, and this led to the invention of microwave. तो प्यारे बच्चों, माइक्रोवेव की इन्वेंशन भी बाय चांस हुई, क्योंकि जिसने इन्वेंशन की उसकी पॉकेट में चॉकलेट थे और वो चॉकलेट मेल्ट हो गए जब वो माइक्रोवेव एमिटर्स के पास में आया। And name of the scientist is Pansy Spencer. Pansy Spencer. Do you know night writing is a method of sending secret messages by punching dot marks on thick papers? तो नाइट राइटिंग एक मेथड है जिसमें सीक्रेट मैसेजेस को भेजा जाता है और थिक पेपर्स के ऊपर डॉट मार्क्स को पंच किया जाता है, which can be read by people in the dark with their fingertips. So dear students, today's topic comes to an end. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.